Hello dear students. Students, in the previous class I have told you about globe and advantages and disadvantages of globes. Now, in this video you will study about latitudes. Let's see what are latitudes. A latitude is the angular distance of a point on the earth's surface measured in degrees from an imaginary line named equator, which lies midway between the poles. These lines are termed as latitudes and longitudes respectively. The latitudes and longitudes intersect each other on the globe and form a grid system. The grid lines are a set of lines used to find the exact location of a place on a globe or a map. Dear students, now let's study about the latitudes and longitudes in detail. First of all, important facts about latitude. The latitudes are parallel to each other. Therefore, these are also called the parallels of latitudes. These are imaginary lines that run east to west and are used to measure distance. The distance between the two parallels of latitude is assumed to be 1 degree, that is equal to 111 km. The equator is the most significant latitude. It was chosen as the reference line because it divides the globe into two equal parts. The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere and the southern half known as southern hemisphere. It is 0 degree latitude. Also, it is the largest latitude. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes. Similarly, all parallels in the south of the equator are called south latitudes. The alphabet N is used to indicate the north latitudes and S is used to show the south latitudes. Each parallel of latitudes is a circle. All parallels of latitudes are not equal in length. Their lengths get decreased as one moves northward or southward, that is, towards either of the poles. The distance between any two parallels of the latitudes is always equal. Student, let's move to some important latitudes. Let's discuss them one by one. First, the equator represents 0 degree of latitude. Second, the Tropic of Cancer, that is 20.5 degree north latitude. The Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 south latitude in the southern hemisphere. 66.5 degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere is known as the Arctic Circle. 66.5 south latitude in the southern hemisphere is termed as the Antarctic Circle. These important latitudes divide the earth into various heat zones. North Pole. North Pole is 90 degree north in the northern hemisphere and South Pole is 90 degree south in the southern hemisphere.